More breaking news right now. A deadly construction zone crash in Pewaukee kills 2 people, including a construction worker.
Milwaukee's only news helicopter was also above this scene just after rush hour this morning. It happened on Capitol Drive near Pewaukee Road.
That's where we find 12 News' Hannah Hilliard tonight. Hannah, that's a busy stretch with heavy construction.
Yeah, it's down to one lane here, and it was in these westbound lanes along Capitol Drive early this morning. The Waukesha County Sheriff's Office says a pickup truck driver was heading westbound and rear-ended a car close to where we are right now. But they say that truck kept on going and ended up closer to the lights there of Pewaukee Road, and witnesses say he then plowed through a crew doing concrete work. A deadly crash scene spanning nearly 200 yards, involving multiple vehicles.
A construction worker got ran over, possible 2 patients at this time.
And a construction crew.
It was literally a scene straight out of a movie, like I swear. It felt so unreal.
Courtney Meredith was heading west on Capitol Drive around 9:30 Wednesday morning, stuck in what she thought was typical construction traffic.
And I'm sitting there complaining like, man, we're going to miss this light like 10 times. And next thing I know, I just heard the boom.
The Waukesha County Sheriff's Office says a truck driver slammed into the back of this now mangled car, killing a 76-year-old woman behind the wheel. They say the pickup truck driver then kept going toward Pewaukee Road and plowed into a group of construction workers. Another witness spoke to me by phone.
I see a older pickup truck fly through the construction zone that was blocked off because obviously construction was going on, concrete. And then when he gets close to the intersection, he strikes 2 construction workers.
The sheriff's office says a 46-year-old construction worker died at the hospital. Another worker, a 47-year-old man, was hurt but expected to survive.
You wanted to look to make sure they were okay, but you didn't even want to look. Like, you were just trying to look straight and just pray for everybody pretty much, because it was scary.
Hannah, has anyone been arrested or ticketed in the crash?
Well, as of right now, Kristen, the Waukesha County Sheriff's Office will only say that they're looking into the cause of these crashes, so no word on possible charges. But we do know the 49-year-old man in that pickup truck, he did suffer some injuries in these crashes, but the investigators say he is expected to survive.
Hannah Hilliard live in Pewaukee tonight. Thank you. And